AI is no longer the future, it's the now. If you're not leveraging on AI tools, you're already behind. They have left you. But today, I will show you 5 powerful AI tools that you can learn and use it to start or grow a business. Create content faster and yes, make money from it online. But that being said, if this is the first time of you coming across this channel, hit the subscribe button, like, share with friends and family, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so you get notified when I post related video like this. Now welcome back. So let's dive in. Now, why are people venturing into AI, or why do you need to venture into AI? Let me tell you something. AI currently now is on a top high, like the highest high, and the world is actually revolving to an era where everything is being done by AI. So the reason why you need to venture into AI right now is because I don't want a situation whereby AI is going to replace you, and for you not to feel that way, you need to venture into it right now, because right now all the industries, businesses, marketing strategy, all of them are leveraging AI. AI is transforming industries from marketing to healthcare to education. Businesses are saving time, scaling faster than ever before. Businesses are saving time, cutting costs, and scaling faster than ever before. For you, this is an opportunity. Whether you're a freelancer, a content creator, an entrepreneur, this is an opportunity. That's why you need to leverage it now before it skyrockets to the higher high. I'll be revealing to you the 5 high-income AI skills, and number 1 is prompt engineering. And what is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is the art of talking to AI, alright? Whether be it ChatGPT or Midjourney, for you to know the exact word or command you will use in talking to AI. So if you can know this thing, you're a prompt engineering. And the way to monetize this when you're perfect is by selling that prompt, be it a marketing copy or brainstorming businesses. Selling that prompt, you just, let's say the command, you just command the AI, the word, the exact word, you can sell it. That's where the monetization comes in. You can sell it on either prompt base, all right? So as a prompt engineer, it's actually good for you to leverage this AI so you understand how it works. Then you can monetize it by selling those prompts either on prompt base or any other marketplace, all right? Now we'll be going straight to the second top 5 high income AI skill. Number 2 is AI chatbot creation. The truth is, every modern businesses need a chatbot. Customer services, sales, and booking. Now, AI makes these things cheap and smarter. Be it ChatGPT, API, BotPress, ManyChat. Alright? If you can master the art of AI bot creation, then it's a gold mine for you, because you can monetize it by building and managing it for local businesses in the areas of sales and marketing, all those stuff. When it comes to customer service, both booking, you can manage it for local businesses. And also you can also create an AI chatbot template and sell on Gumroad, the marketplace. All right, that's another way of monetizing your skill. Now number 3, AI voice agent. All right, come to think of it, imagine a voice assistant that sounds like human and answers customers' calls, book appointments, and even sell products. How fascinating. And tools to use are ElevenLabs, Resemble AI. These are the tools that make it more easier for you to master this art, alright? And you can monetize this by setting up a voice agency for businesses, be it subscription based or voice branding package. These are the either ways you can monetize it, and I tell you, this AI voice agent is on the go. And number 4 is AI animated content creation. I know a lot of you have been seeing faceless YouTube channel, be it AI adverting, marketing adverts, or whatsoever. AI now currently is trending, and majority of people have been using it to create content on it. be it either picture or animated videos. So this particular one is very nice for you to leverage on. If you master this art, imagine creating an entire video without you showing your face. You just type the word and AI do the rest. Imagine something like that, how fascinating it is. Be it YouTube content or marketing adverts or whatever. And you can actually monetize services by starting a faceless YouTube channel or selling animated content services to agency. Imagine something like that. Now, number 5, the last, alright? Now, number 5 is AI clown content. This is the next level where you can literally clown your voice or face and convert it to digital bundle to create content that scale. Be it personalized influencer marketing, brand licensing, or visual presenter for e-courses. And you can actually monetize it by selling digital clan appearances, license your clan avatar for brands, or launch a clan-based influencer channel. Now you've got the skill, but then how do you make money from it? Well, you can start as a freelancer, where you get to offer your AI services to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, and the rest. Or you can also create a personalized brand where you get to render these same services to businesses. Or also, you can create it in a bundle where you get to teach people monthly, or people get to pay for it monthly as a subscription. Or a faceless YouTube channel, be it TikTok or any of the social media. Or also, you can start teaching people how to master these skills. These are the ways you can monetize this. And mind you, if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with friends and family for those that might be interested in this AI. If you want me to break down each skills step by step, then drop in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and like, okay?